Good afternoon. It's September 17th. I'm going to try and do this quickly because I was recording it and I just had some errors. This is my second time doing this. Here's the daily chart. We had a sell off after the FOMC meeting, but we rallied back into this tight bull channel. So, uh, yeah, we'll take a look at that. Here's the weekly chart. I still think we are, you know, trying to go higher. The monthly chart, I think we'll find resistance at 6,800, about maybe 6,780. But anyway, yeah, like I said, this is my second time doing this. Not trying to do this again. You can see this level of resistance here. So shortly after the market opens, we get this strong bear bar, and we have one push up, two push up, three push up. I think this is a very reasonable place to get short, and it turns out to be a very, very strong move. You could have gotten it 6, 7, 8 points pretty easily. So this is like a spike down, a breakout, a bear breakout, and we get a two-legged pullback, but we don't get a great signal bar. Also, prices have been ranging for several hours at this point, so it's just not the greatest entry. But if you do go short, you probably want to enter on a limit order here. And we do form this bear channel that's hard to see in real time, but if you were playing the range, so in real time, it'd be more likely that you're playing this range, even though the EMA is pointing down. So when we break out to the low side, I think it's very reasonable to take this. We go beyond a measured move, and you get some stalling, and you get this double bottom, very strong bull bar. But now I'm seeing it didn't even trigger. So, oh my gosh, that's the second time I've done that. Turned on airplane mode. So that's this, it doesn't trigger. So I don't think you would take that. At this point, you're just right at the FOMC meeting. And so you want to sit out until things get clear. And I was saying when I recorded this earlier, this looks like a great lower high, but it's a 10-point bar. And so most of us just realistically aren't going to risk that much. Unless you want a reward of like 40 points, and I don't think below 70, 25. You could have gotten a 30-point move, so that's 3 times your risk. We get this bull channel, we get a break right here, and again you get this this sideways range that's really tilted down, but I don't think you can short here, even though it looks like a two-legged pullback, because you're going into support. So you can't go short on a stop order. But I think you can argue for taking a limit order short right here. And then same thing here. So this is second entry short, but we could be bouncing off support. But if you go short here on a limit order, I don't have any problem with that, but you cannot go short on a stop order. This is a 14-point bar, or 17-point bar, so you can't go short on a stop order. And now we have a break of this bear channel and a first time gap above the EMA since the bear channel started. So I believe you can take on a stop order a second entry short right here, below this bar. Fair amount of overlap here, so it's not the greatest, but it does end up being a good move. And you can see this happens a lot. The computers take profits along the previous level of resistance that's now acting as support, and that creates a spike and bull channel. And we come up here. I mean, you can, as soon as you notice it's a tight bull channel, you can buy at any time, but there's no real stop orders in here. And so that's the spike. This is the channel. and just some sideways stuff, and then we formed this bear channel, and I don't see anything I'm too crazy about after that. So looks like we got a couple strong bull bars to start off this day. But here's one last look at it. I hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.